So let me show you how to change the cover screen clock style on your Galaxy Z Flip 7. So you can actually change what this clock looks like. So to do that, just go to your settings, and then under settings, scroll down to cover screen, tap on that, and then tap on your current wallpaper. So I'm going to tap on that, and that's going to prompt me to edit everything, including widgets, shortcuts, and the notifications dot. So what you need to do is tap on the current clock. So you can actually change the font and color of your clock. So for instance, if I want to change the font, I can do that. If I want to make them more bold or thinner, I can use this slider to do that. These are all fonts I can use. In fact, if I tap on that, I can go ahead and download even more fonts. Okay, so if I want that one, for instance, I can have that one or that one. Let's use that one. Okay, you can also change the color. So by default, it's set to A, which is auto, which basically means it's going to sort of try and match the color of your wallpaper. But of course, you can set a different color for your lock screen, your cover screen clock. Now, you can also go to style. So under style, you can change the style completely. So for instance, you can even put an analog clock instead of a digital one. And then you can choose whether you want to show weather information or not. So you can see when I enable and disable, you can see weather information at the top there. And then do you want to show the date above the clock? If that's enabled, the date will be above the clock. You disable that, the date goes below the clock. So that's basically how to customize the clock style of your Galaxy Z Flip 7 cover screen. Once you're done, just tap on done, and that's it. So now when you go to the cover screen, you can see we have a new clock style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.